Builder, found these raptors, and found this revolt, and craft of gasoline, and the song cut off. But I have this that look like a buzz cut, but it's epic. We're gonna start off. Okay, that's enough. No more music. No, I can't. Okay. I don't know why. I'm about to. Hey guys, we're back with another one. Today we're going to be reacting to iamjaystation. We're going to be exposing him. So let's go. Let's get it. So you can see what I'm typing. I'm gonna move you guys down here while I'm typing. What is it? I'm going to YouTube. YouTube.com. Is it legendary? Right there. I'm gonna like my torso so you can see where I'm pointing at and stuff. Because sometimes you guys can't see it. Would you accept the 50 reptile? It's the element on the water. What's his name? I don't know. 50 AC breakthroughs have the ability. Okay, so we're going to right here. 56. This is the first video we're going to be looking at. And it's fake as heck. I can give you.
This is a story about a magical place where everything's amazing, especially the people. We can tell you everything there is to know about over. Freaking out! Guys, look at this. The light is going off and on. Dude. Oh my god! Dude, there's a freaking eye on your forehead. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do it. Here we go.
What's up, guys? Back with another banger video. Tonight we're back with another dark web potion. This time we are opening our third eye at 3 a.m.
First thing first, all I see is I'm not really a big fan. Like the third eye thing, it's not looking right.
Yeah, guys, this potion right here will let you open your third eye. Just.
Why does it look like chocolate? Well, why does it look like strawberry milk and they just add some red food coloring and put it in dry?
By drinking it, you don't have to concentrate at all. You don't have to try to meditate. This will instantly open your third eye. And opening your third eye basically unlocks a higher space of consciousness, guys. Like, it literally gives you a sixth sense. You can see, like, spirits, angels. You feel like a zen. Okay, you're, like, tapped into the universe. Okay, guys? It is very hard to achieve. But with this third eye without the dark web potion. It's hard to do, but not too hard, guys. I'm sure you guys can do it if you guys just...
It's a dark web potion. Epic.
Try it. Right now, I'm with my boy Stromedy on the camera. What's poppin', bro?
Yo, what's going on, guys?
Yo, you ever tried this before? You
No,
ever tried?
man, and I don't know if I want to, man.
Guys, opening your third eye is like really a spiritual kind of thing. If you don't believe in the spirits and stuff, maybe this isn't for you, but trust me, it actually worked. I did this like a year ago. Link for that video is gonna be in the description, guys. It got like 5 million views.
So, yo, what happens when you open your third eye?
Okay, so basically when you open your third eye, you feel this weird feeling of like a zen, and you actually unlock your sixth sense, okay?
Oh my god,
like you're totally
I didn't know that. Yeah, I didn't know humans had a sixth sense.
It's for real, guys, and the only way you can do that is through meditation. Now, I'm gonna show you guys that, but ever since I did that video like a year ago, opening your third eye at 3 a.m. No, but we're gonna try it.
You know what they can do? You remember that base you made? Because we want to get to what he's talking about. Well, you remade it? I will leave the video link in the description. And then you have to go 10 minutes later. Yeah, we can do that. That's not for you. Editing skills are really good.
Dude. Oh my.
Guys, look. You see that part right there? Same part of this side. The same part of this side. That little dark spot right there. I I think
y'all know how
he
I
got it
did,
from this eye. He copied this eye and put it up there.
Epic,
The eyelash.
more of that epic stuff.
I will leave the video description thing in the bottom.
Will you butterfly
look
your
at that right there.
Yeah, you have to use epic stuff.
He really tried. I give him props. I give him props for trying. And
Y'all know how
that little line right there. It's right up there. Man, I give you props. I give you props.
God.
I knew that.
Oh, yo, Jay, snap out of it, dude. Snap out of it.
Dude, why'd you do that?
There was like a freaking eye on your forehead.
We're gonna rerun that, guys.
Out of it. Dude.
Alright.
Oh, yo,
Get
Jay,
your
snap
bonus.
out of it.
Y'all saw how that just
Alright,
disappeared.
so what you gonna go with? Take it to
Bing.
the
Snap out of it.
Dude, why'd you do that?
There was like a freaking eye on your forehead.
I know, it's called opening your third eye.
I know, but
It just
dude.
kicked in. I felt one with the universe. I was having the bliss. I couldn't hold the trance for very long because I just heard you being like, oh my god.
I'm gonna for everybody to see what the hell was on your forehead.
There was really?
Yeah,
Like,
dude.
touch my forehead, bro. There's no eyelid or nothing
No,
there.
dude, there's nothing, man.
No?
Nah.
You saw an eye.
Yeah, like
Straight
a
up.
full-out eye, dude. How did you do that?
I don't know.
This
Like,
doesn't even make sense.
guys, there is some negative effects to this, though. When you're first trying to attempt this stuff, you guys can get, like, serious migraines, okay? And also, it could have some memory loss at first when you're first coming out of the trance. But like I said,
We're just gonna keep winding this. Cause he lying like I don't know what. You just keep lying. You keep lying. We're going straight off right.
oh my god.
Oh, it took almost like one second.
What do you feel like?
Alright, go.
What do you feel like, dude? Yo, Jay. Dude, what's wrong?
Instantly, my head is just starting to have like all sorts of pressure in it, dude.
Really?
I swear.
Oh my gosh. Like a headache or something?
Yeah.
Dude, oh my gosh. Are you okay?
I feel like weird tingling, dude.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, it's like a big pressure in my head, bro.
You really don't look well, dude. No, your whole head. I don't know, just everything about you seems bad right now.
Dude, it hurts. It's like
Oh my god, maybe you should try.
Yeah.
it's like pounding.
Maybe you should try drinking water or something.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh my. Dude, Jay!
Killing me, bro.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Dude, what do you want me to do?
I don't know, man.
You want me to keep recording?
He just hit his head on a thing.
Dude, what the hell is wrong with you right now? Guys, she's literally freaking out. I don't know what the hell to do.
Dude, it's like a migraine in my work.
Really?
bad.
Oh my god, yes. I literally feel so bad right now, man. I don't know what to do, though. I don't know what to do. Whoa! Dude! Whoa, the freaking lights are flickering. They're flickering, dude. Yo, the light is flickering on and off, man. What the hell is going on right now? Jay! Jay, I'm literally freaking out. Guys, look at this. The light is going off.
This is the first time I'm gonna go this far, but I'm gonna go on Instagram on my phone. And hold on, you guys. We're going to leave this video right here. And put you guys on full screen. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna see.
Alright, yeah, leave.
I'm gonna go to Instagram. I'm gonna look at this. I'm
Y'all leave.
not even kidding. Like, this is so fake. Like, I can't even stand it. This is the first time I'll go this far and look on my Instagram to see.
I know we could dream it. He scared me.
We're gonna see.
I have a message for
I'm gonna. I think Instagram is iamjaystation. I don't know.
We gotta see what's going on. Why you leave? Oh, somebody else doing it, though.
I don't know. It's not working because like these are fan pages. And we're not looking for fan pages.
Oh. Black fat boy.
I guess
Black foot boy.
opening. I guess he doesn't have Instagram, but we're gonna find.
I'm supposed to catch scammers. And no one has a mic. Oh, black fat boy. Black foot boy. You wanna trade?
I don't know what's up, but
No, I'm simply.
I think he has no. Let's see. He has no social media. Probably because if he probably posts he probably would post who he's
What
with,
color was that?
or the people he's with would post if they're with him, so he can't do his videos. Like say if they. Well, I don't know what this is.
What color are
Say if they want to fake, like turning off the lights, they can't go on social media and show off that they have like 3 people or there's 3 of them or something, and one of them is in a room. I'm gonna continue.
How do you get Windows 6?
Come on! Oh my god, there's no one even there, guys! Yo, Jay, what is wrong with you, dude? Hey, what the heck? It just turned off completely, guys! What the hell? Yo, now your camera light is flickering too, dude! Oh my god! Jay! Jay, what the hell is wrong, man?
He's doing that.
Yo, talk to me, Jay!
I'll fight you.
Is there anything there yet, dude?
Oh!
He pushed up.
Jay, what is wrong, dude?
Black foot boy.
Dude, oh my god!
Watch this.
Dude, something's severely wrong with you right now. Jay, talk to me. Dude! Oh my god! Dude, there's a freaking eye! Oh my god!
Oh my god, this is so fake.
There.
What? Where?
Around the corner.
Really?
Right there.
Dude, I don't see anything. Dude, I literally don't see anything right now. Where? Whoa! Oh my god! Dude! Dude, it's freaking shaking out and stuff! Oh my god! Dude! Holy crap, I'm freaking out right now, man! Oh my god!
It wants you strongly.
It wants me?
It's calling your name.
What?
It wants you to go to it.
Dude, I'm scared. Dude, I don't want to. I don't want to go to it. Dude, I'm freaking out right now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do it. Okay, here we go. Oh my god! What the heck?
Who is that?
Y'all,
Alright, get married. Go to get married. Go to
well,
get married.
y'all just seeing what I saw? Like,
What 106?
what the heck? You can even tell this editing. Look at this on the side right here.
I got a 106.
Oh my god, like, look at that. That's so blurry. Like, this is so
Oh my god! What the heck?
Look how it disappeared.
Yo! Jay! Jay! Dude, you gotta wake up right now, dude! What the hell's wrong with you? Dude! Oh my god, it's freaking insane! Dude, I swear! I saw it! I saw whatever it was, man! You gotta get up right now! Please, Jay! Jay, come on!
Yeah, guys, well, I'm trying to make my video short. We're not going to do 2 video reactions, but guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I did try to tell you guys I will be trying to make videos here and there, because I'm leaving till next year. I won't be on YouTube till next year, and I'm so sorry about it. But guys, this is life. Because I can't balance school and all. So yeah, so yeah. We finna go. And yeah, this video's gonna be done. And guys, I will be leaving till next year, but I will try to post here and there after school, before school. I don't know. But till then,
I can't hear.
we
I already got freaking one.
Avenue catchphrase. Until we come back, it's another mystery.